Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Quora for affiliate marketing to drive free traffic to your affiliate offers. But there is a twist. I never shared this method before and it really works. But you must watch entire video, and I know that most of you will jump right to the Quora part of the video and then this method won't work and you will come back here, you will say this doesn't work. Well, actually it does, but you didn't watch entire video. So please watch entire video and please watch every step. So let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. Okay, let me first show you potential of Quora for those of you who are here for Quora for the first time. As you can see, Quora is getting 550 million visits every month. And when you scroll here, you will see that more than 50% of their visitors are coming from highly developed countries, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. And when you scroll here, you will see that most of their traffic is search and direct traffic, and that is the best traffic that you can get, because those are the people who are actually most interested in whatever your website is all about. So Quora has a huge potential. Second thing I wish to show you is Quora authority. When you go on Ahref authority checker, you will see that Quora has authority of 91, which is almost maximum authority. And you will see later why Quora authority is important. Obviously, first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to research that niche. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how to research niche. I will leave you a link in description to that video. Second thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. For that, you can use ClickBank Marketplace, you can use Digital24 Marketplace, you can use JVZoo Marketplace. You can use this method to promote Amazon affiliate products. You can use this method to promote your drop shipping store, your drop servicing store, your website, your blog, or whatever you want. But in this case, I'm going to promote ClickBank affiliate product, and let's say I'm in weight loss niche. So I will scroll here and I am going to click on health and fitness. And ClickBank will give me products in this category. And then I will sort this by gravity. Click here on gravity, and ClickBank actually sort this by gravity. What you need to do, you need to go through these products, you need to go through their sales pages, their affiliate tools pages, you need to go and read some reviews, you need to go on SimilarWeb, you need to go Google Trends, and so on and so on. And then based on all of those data, you will actually choose which of these products is best for you to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, custom keto diet. I will open their affiliate tools page in new tab. I'm actually already promoting this product. And you will actually need first to register as their affiliate. I already do that, so let me just pause this video to enter my data here. Okay, I logged into my affiliate resources on custom keto diet and I'm actually looking for keywords. Let me just scroll here. Okay, here are the keywords, click here, and actually many of these products will give you a list of keywords related to that product, related to that niche. Now you can actually create this list by yourself, but these guys made list for us to make it easier for us. So we don't actually have to do that. So let me just click here on download and click OK. And now when we downloaded this list, now we actually need to research these keywords to find the best keywords for us. Okay, I opened the list that they prepared for us, and as you can see here, they actually made a list of 122 keywords related to this product, to this niche. And what we need to do is we actually need to research all of these keywords. Yes, I know it's boring, it's time consuming, but that is something that you have to do. And to find the right keywords for us. And to actually do a research, we are going to use Ahref free keyword tool. So let me just go back here and let's say we are going to use this last one. What's a keto diet? So I will copy this, Control C, and go back here and I will paste it here, Control V. And click find keyword, confirm I'm not robot, give it a few seconds. And when you scroll here, we will see this is actually not a good keyword. As you can see, keyword difficulty is 87, which means it's extremely hard to rank for this keyword. Search volume is 1,400. So we actually need to find another keyword. So let me just go through these keywords. Okay, Simple keto diet plan. Again, Control C. Go back here on href keyword tool. Click find keyword, confirm I'm not robot. Give it a few seconds to actually do a research. And when we scroll here, it is slightly better. It's 67 keyword difficulty, but search volume is only 200. So we need to find another keyword. Go back here on keywords. Okay, lazy keto diet. Let me just try this one. Control C. Go back on href keyword tool. Find keyword, confirm I'm not robot. It is boring, but you have to do this because it's a free tool. And when we scroll here, okay, this is actually a perfect keyword. Look at this. Keyword difficulty is only 24 and it's a green, which means we can actually rank for this keyword on first page on Google. Search volume is 3,400 and that is in United States alone, which means when we add United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, this is more than 5,000 searches every month. And like I said, keyword difficulty is only 24. So this is actually a good keyword and this is the keyword that we are going to use. So now when we have our keyword, now we actually need to start our blog or website in this niche. But if you don't have money to pay for domain, if you don't have money to pay for hosting, you can actually start blogging on Medium. You can choose your niche and you should start writing articles in that one niche. In this case, it's a keto diet. So start publishing articles about keto diet on Medium. And Medium also has a huge authority on Google. It's 94, which means almost maximum authority. So now you need to write a high quality and informative article about lazy keto diet in this case. Now I already did that and I published that article on Medium. As you can see here, lazy keto diet, the difference between clean and lazy keto and lazy keto food. And this is my article. As you can see, I opened my article with photo, with interesting photo, and you should use royalty-free photos. You can find royalty-free photos on Unsplash, Pixabay, or Pexels. Now, this is important. You must use royalty-free photos. You cannot just go on Google Images and just download any photo. You must use royalty-free photos from Unsplash, Pixabay, or Pexels. And here you can see my article. This is my affiliate link, my ClickBank affiliate link to custom keto diet. This is the rest of the article. And of course, you should always add affiliate disclaimer that if someone buys product that you are actually advertising in this article, you will make a commission. So this is how your article should look like. So now we need to promote our affiliate product, and for that we are going to use Quora, and that is the part that you are all waiting for in this video. First thing we need to do, we need to do a research. We need to see what kind of questions people are asking related to our main keyword. So here in search bar, I will just type lazy keto diet and then click search to see, like I said, what kind of questions people are asking about lazy keto diet. What is the lazy keto diet? How does lazy keto diet work? And so on and so on. Go through these questions, see which are the most popular, which of these questions actually have most answer, which of these questions most people are actually follow. But there is a twist. This is the part of the video that you are all waiting for. We are actually not going to answer on any of these questions. There is another way, good way to promote our affiliate products. We are actually going to ask a question. So stay with me and I'm going to show you how you can actually promote your products by asking questions on Quora. So what you need to do, you need to go here in upper right corner and click add question. And here you actually need to write your question. That question should contain your main keyword and it should be kind of catchy so it can catch people's attention. For example, is there a difference between dirty and lazy keto diet? As you can see, our question contains our main keyword, lazy keto diet. Now, Quora is already suggesting you some related questions. No, none of these questions is actually relevant to our question, so we are going to stick with our question. And when you scroll here, you will see optional, include a link that gives context. And here you can actually add a link. Pay close attention, this is really important part of the video. I will paste my ClickBank affiliate link here and add question. Double check your question. Okay, use suggestion. No, I will actually stick with original. Ask question, original question. They still managed to find related question. I will actually stick with my question and add a new question. Click here. And as you can see here, the source should be a valid link. Quora actually does not allow affiliate link. So I will actually close this and I will actually have to ask my question again. So click here, add question. And here you can see how you can add your question. Public, so everybody can see who actually asked this question. Anonymous or limited. If you are asking questions or answering questions in one niche, in this case in keto, only in keto niche, then I suggest to use public profile because you can actually add a link to your blog, to your website, to your Medium profile in your Quora profile. As you can see here, as I did here, this is a clickable link. You can add link, like I said, to your blog, to your website, to your Medium profile or whatever you want. So choose public profile if you are actually in one niche. So I will stick with the public profile and I need to ask my questions. So I will ask same question. Is there difference between dirty and lazy keto diet? And just add question mark. And I need to scroll here and here I will actually add a link to my Medium article. So I will go back on my Medium article, Control C to copy this, go back on Quora and I will paste link from my Medium article and then add question. I will stick with my original question, click here, ask original question, and they found, like I said, they already found some related questions, but I will stick with my question, add a new question. And they already gave you some categories, ketogenic diet, healthy eating, nutrition, and I will add additional categories, ketosis, low carb diet, healthy dieting, diet and nutrition, health, and that will be it for now. You can also search for topics here, just type, let's say, keto, for example, and you can add new topics, but I will stick with the one that I already selected. Click here, done. Here you can see topics that you selected. Here you can see all the topics related, and I will actually stick with this one and click here, done. And that's it. You asked a question. And as you can see here, this is my question here, and this is a clickable link. When I click on it, it will take me to my Medium article. As you can see, this is my Medium article. My internet is a bit slow, unfortunately. It will take some time. Okay. And this is my affiliate link. And every time someone click on it, it's still loading for some reason. It's really slow. And like I said, when someone click on this link and buy this product, I am actually going to earn a commission. You remember that on the beginning of the video, I told you that Quora authority is important. And that is because if you choose a right keywords, in this case lazy keto diet, and if enough people answer on that question and they include those keywords, lazy keto diet in this case, in their answers, it is really possible that your question will actually rank on first page on Google. Then it will start getting traffic from Google, and all of those people, thousands and thousands of people, will see your link to your Medium article, to your blog or website, where you promote your ClickBank affiliate offers, Digistore 24 affiliate offers, or whatever you want. And like I said, in that way, you will actually double your traffic because Quora will send you free traffic, but Google will also send you a free traffic to that Quora question, and from that Quora question, you will send free traffic to your blog, website, Medium article, or whatever you want. So this is how you do affiliate marketing by using Quora to send free traffic. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.